This is what I've been waiting for. This is the Advanced Sound Model X. This is going to be an unboxing of this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. So now we're going to let's see. Yeah, this is not the best unboxing, unwrapping of the plastic, so apologize for that. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's stuck. Okay, never mind. Yeah. So this is the box. Now let's open the item. Actually, wait. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Okay. Oh fuck. Really? Okay, the earbud already flopped. I'm sorry. But yeah. So here is the item. So basically, here's what you get. And damn, that is tiny. Look at that case, it's so tiny compared to this one. See, look, it's so tiny. Anyway, yeah, here's the case, here's the earbuds, and yeah, I'm sorry, it's already blinking. So yeah, here's the earbuds. So now get the accessories. Yeah. Okay, how do I open this shit? This one. Yeah, so we got okay, careful not to. So here's the extra tips. Oh, okay, that fell. Here's the carrying pouch, and here's the unfortunately that's a micro USB cable. Oh well, don't care about that. And here's a strap for the this one, the case, and damn, I still can't believe it's that tiny. So here's the manuals and such. Well, I don't read that, but I'll try to read it later on. And what's this? Oh, there's other types of ear tips. So it has two types. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm going to do next is I'm gonna try to prop this open. Okay, yeah, that is small. Damn. So what's this? This is the left earbud. Okay, so put it here. Yeah, it's magnetized. Here's the right earbud, I presume. Yeah, that's the right earbud. Okay, so it's stopped blinking, but damn, that is tiny, so tiny. Oh, and it lights up when it's charging again, I think. Yeah, it lights up. So yeah, yeah. Oh fudge, really? There. So yeah, that is the device. So is it? Let's try if I compare this. So okay, so now I'll try to connect it to my mom's phone. So yeah, this is an iPhone. Yeah, unfortunately I can't test it on my phone right now because I'm recording with it. It's this device that I'm recording. Okay, so yeah. What the fuck? Is it not charging? Okay, so yeah. Let's try and connect it to here. Let's see if I can get that working. Oh, it's blinking, so I think it's in pairing mode. Okay, I'll try to put it in my ears. And I'll connect it to this. Oh, it's connected. I hear it connected. So, okay. Let's try playing some music. I apologize, this is the first time I'm launching this app on this phone. Okay, library, like songs. I'll try. Whoa. Whoa. This sounds good. Whoa. Oh damn. Okay. Wow, the details. Okay, I'll put it there. So, okay. So let's see. This one has it has touch control, automatic pairing. It has a 10mm graphene high fidelity driver, 25 hours battery life, IPX5, and yeah. So I guess that's it. That's the unboxing. I'll let you know, guys, that I'm going to make a new video on a full review of these truly wireless earbuds. And damn, I still can't believe that it's that small. Anyways, see you guys. Bye.